Does listing a home with an aging roof impact resale value? Here's what buyers, agents, and appraisers are actually looking at, and what homeowners should do before listing. An aging roof is one of the most common reasons buyers push back after a home inspection. It's not just about how it looks. What buyers and their agents are really evaluating is how much useful life is left and whether they'll be on the hook for a replacement shortly after they move in. Meanwhile, home inspectors often look for visible signs of wear. These include granule loss in the gutters and on the shingles, curling or brittle tabs, obvious damage or missing shingles, and the overall age of the roof. When those flags show up in a report, the buyer's agent typically has one of three responses: request a price reduction, ask for a repair credit, or require the seller to fix the issue before closing. Appraisers have a different perspective. They typically factor roof status into their overall assessment of the home's condition relative to comparable sales in the area. A roof that's flagged as nearing the end of its serviceable life doesn't always reduce the home's appraised value directly, but it can complicate financing and give the buyer's lender pause. But this doesn't necessarily mean you need to replace the roof on your home before selling it. Roof Maxx restoration treatments can restore flexibility to aging asphalt shingles, helping them last longer and pass inspection at a stage when they might otherwise raise concerns. A treated roof also comes with a documented service record. That gives sellers something concrete to point to during disclosure and gives buyers more confidence about what they're purchasing. Roof Maxx isn't a replacement. The roof still needs to be structurally sound for treatment to make sense. But for sellers with suitable asphalt shingle rooftops, it can turn a potential inspection challenge into a selling asset. If you're planning to sell in the next 1 to 3 years, Roof Maxx could be a smart investment. Get a Roof Maxx evaluation today before your home's roof becomes a potential negotiating point. Many inspectors have seen the effects of Roof Maxx restoration firsthand and wholeheartedly recommend it to homeowners who want to extend the life of their existing shingles and put off costly replacement for years. Find a dealer in your area by visiting roofmaxx.com.